So the first thing you want to do before you change your oil, you want to make sure your car is warmed up. They call it normal operating temperature. It should be in the middle. Whatever it is, it should be in the middle. So you open your hood up. You find your oil cap. It's this one right here. Goes on right here. Make sure you take it off before you drain the oil. It makes the oil flow faster and easier. I also like to pull out the dipstick. Leave it hanging there, just pull it out. So on this truck, it's easier to get through the passenger side. You don't have to lift the car up at all. Come through this side. It's a 15 socket. It shouldn't be too tight, but there it goes. Once you crack that open, I like to get the oil filter, which is on the driver's side. All you need is a filter wrench. You put it on there, just tap it out. It's gonna fly out. Filter off. Here's the drain plug. You clean it up a little bit. Go ahead and throw some brake cleaner on there. I went ahead and bought a new oil plug. This is the old one. This is the new one. About $8. New gasket and everything. The old gasket was messed up. Gasket's about $3. Decided just to buy a new one. Go ahead and add a little bit of oil to the filter. Not too much. Then you add oil to the gasket. Not too tight. There it is. When it's brand new oil, you should not be able to even see the oil for a couple days. So you get your oil change done somewhere, and you look at your dipstick, you shouldn't really be able to see the oil level, because it's brand new oil. Should be something like that. Shouldn't be able to see the oil level at all, especially if you have a new car. This one's 2005 GMC, has over 100,000 miles. And the final stage for this car is to reset the oil life. So you turn your key to the on position or to the run position, but don't start the car up or the truck up. Then you pump the accelerator pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. It should say oil change, oil life reset. That's it. That's how you reset it. Should be to go.